nimgodo nje into engenamsebenzi walutho. Some of them go to an extent yokuthi by the way angeke nginilungisele ninikuzwe lokho. Everything I report on clean governance gets told to me by some of the people abanye benu mabengaboni ngasolinye balethela mina indaba, but angikaze ngihamba ngifona ngibuza ukuthi kwenze njani kuphi. I get called, I get SMS'd, messages come through my phone all the time. Okay, angazi ngiyazwakala yini. So what I'm saying is, at the end of the day, that we get so much messages. Sikelwa, Maspala wase Beckville, this is what is happening. Maspala wase Mkhanyakude, this is what is happening. Maspala wase Jozini, Msunduze, eThekwini, Madlangeni, Newcastle, Ekurhuleni, Govan Mbeki, Port St. John's, Eastern Cape, Kawat 5. Money was paid in full for a building that did not materialize. This is how heartless these bastards are. Right? Angiphathi ke dliwa ngama renovation. Badlu 700,000. Kungenziwe lutho. 700,000 paid. I've got proof. Port St. John's is one of the leading municipalities in Eastern Cape nge-corruption. Umhlonhlo municipality is one of the leading municipalities nge-corruption in Eastern Cape. You come closer to Alfred Nzo. Alfred Nzo, the leadership is corrupt. That municipality has got problems. Yebiwe Mali. Matatiele, same thing. Yebiwe Mali. Right? There's one other next to Matatiele. They're all under Port Winnie Matigisela. Yebiwe Mali. Right? We know that OR Tambo, a car at a scratch. They bought a car by scratch. A newly bought car, but by Tengisak auction. I think it was sold for 2,000 rand. A 700,000 or a million rand car. That's how corrupt these bastards are. Nelson Mandela Bay, it's the same thing. Where you see a group of politicians, yes, KZN, okay, if you want to know, I'll tell you about KZN. Imale shawaga kulu a disaster. If SIU want to know what is happening about Imale disaster, ipopisiwe. Okay, Zeba lezinto. And I want to tell you, you might hate the ANC. Okay, fanela. Whether you call it IFP, whether you want to call it Nitin ATM, whether you want to call it Democratic Alliance, as a result, okusopolitiki ngiyabonga ukuthi bonke bayayifisa into esuka right bayafuna ukushada. Kuthi kungangena emandleni 1-2 kubona sekuyashada. I don't want to say mfokano suze IFPs wasikuyafana. Zonke mayithola ithuba ziyeba lezinto. They get an opportunity ziyeba. Kuyafana. So I want to say you go to Matatiele, yes, kuyebiwa lapha in that municipality. And trust me, yes, we do disturb them time and again. NTZ, Nagnina, I get reports, kuyebiwa lapha NTZ. So kuyebiwa nje. Kokstad municipality, same thing. Mazangit lapha Kokstad. I just forgot the name of the school. Nina mphakathi wase Kokstad namakhanda are empty. Phuki dome. Lezi zeba lapha kulesa sikole. This message is specific for idome lezi namakhanda empty eyikhipha amawindi kulesa sikole. That school need to be protected by you. Niyeba nina. You are not different from these useless politicians. Anfundo impahla yahulumeni, impahla yesizwe. Ngeke ukuthi njalo imali yabakhokhi bentela kufanele iloke ibuyele entweni eyodwa ngoba nina you believe ukuthi you are special. ngiyokweba ukhipha ama-aluminium windows. Mawuqala uplana ukwakha qala ngokuthi waplanela ama-wind ungathi uzoweba esikoleni. Okay, right. Asibuyeleke emaseleni lapha ekuruleni. We are also getting reports on particular security companies that pay intshontsho to certain political leaders. Siyayilandela kancane. People must give us full proof. Siyabonga kakhulu esipesihle Maseko. Konje Maseko bani oncanana. Okay. So I want to say this. Mpumalanga, Malahleni, Batubani, Steve Tshwete, Kohlakalo lapha Steve Tshwete, municipality. Guys, I'm still waiting for a municipality where there is no corruption. I'm still waiting to get reports of a municipality where there is no corruption. Okay. Yeah. So I am saying to all South Africans, your voter next year, 2026, it might end up happening that because elections must take place around December, festive. Ngenzeka siyo voter 2027 March. So if we see your voter 2027 March, okay, as PM Zobe, we've never said there's a municipality or clean lapha ya. Etswane, we know ukuthi kunosoma business abantu abaze batholi cholera because when kwamathenda umsebenzi ungenzeki akukho la kungebiwa khona. So that's one. Johannesburg is also facing the same. So there is no municipality. Umngeni is also facing the same, Mr. Mang. We are not saying there's a municipality that is of any special or that is getting a special treatment. So kuyafana lezinto thola ithuba kuyeba hleze kuphilela amapopo. Tenders before they get advertised are discussed in special restaurants. They sit down, discuss them. When I'm also taking a document, you are just wasting your time. This thing has been pre-discussed and they've agreed. Department of Education KwaZulu-Natal, do us a favor. Cancel that nutrition tender. Trust me, you are not going to be able to even award companies that already shown us what corruption activities took place. So allow people to never select ngendlela. A minute in such while social politics kuyahlupa. KZN Youth Fund, 2 companies that got 15 million. The ceiling ye KZN Youth Fund should be 2 million. Kusho ukuthi umuntu ufanele athole 2 million assistance. Khona ababili ke abatholi exception ya 15 million each. One of those people thole 15 million wathengelwa ipholo wanikwa no 400,000. We now know that poor person iphathimandla amaseli ikhohlakala zahamba nayo yonke imali naye ngoba uyisithipha stupid yisithipha nje into engenamsebenzi walutho wathengelwa ipholo leyo mali wayithatha bayithatha bahamba nayo. So that means out of 15 million bathatha 14 million. When you see a person who does not own a business, every time cabanga lezinto kuhlezi cabanga indlela yokweba. Njengamanje Department of Health KZN, I do not know about other provinces, our second ambulance. If there is an accident, private ambulances will come to a scene. Bathatha abantu babayise kuma private hospital ngoba bakhokhelwa ngemali yeRAF, baclaima kuRAF. Government awusangeni ndawo. Why? We do not know. Government is supposed to be having an ambulance. Our second government. Because our people, every time mabecabanga, ithuba banalo nento abayicabanga ukweba. Ufika kuhlangene ema-restaurant ikhuluma ukweba amasela kuyibiza nge-leadership abahlonishwa lamasela anamagongwane eniwathandayo konke indawo kuhleze kuhlangene kona kuhleze kukhuluma noma kuhlangene ngokweba. The reason everything is falling apart, it's because nina South Africans. Leave alone ukuthi you are afraid of these thieves, namasela. More and over, okwenzekayo. Abagcini ngokweba. Bengitshelwa ukuthi ka traffic KZN kuthiwa kune CV enoboya. Kuthiwa ayike department ekhohlakele njengo KZN traffic, RTI. Kuthiwa indawo leya ngempela isinene siyasebenza. Kuthiwa ama position o 70,000. Ufika ukho ku 70 bathini balishile iganyana lakhona MOU or MO usekushede ukuthi ulalwe. Right? Osekunzima kuthiwa kulalwa abafazi kuphela, kunanamadoda aphuza impeso angalala amadoda. Right? So ke ungaboza umuntu mesizakala ethi naku kwafika indoda la eyayizosikhalela esebani Matiwa Hospital in what you call it in Eastern Cape. Ngizongitshela bani Matiwa noma Matiwana. Sisi Matiwana, Cecilia Matiwana. Tenjalo. Bathi lapho kuleso sibhedlela yes. Uthola posting masipala waseThekwini uma ufuna ukuqashwa 70,000. Twi rate isikhuphukile beku 40,000. Right? Department of Health KZN similar things. Kodwa ke ngizothiwa ngathi sebezamile ukuyi-embarka eKZN will come with the names of nabantu ethiwa bakoleka imali noma nawe Cecil Matiwane. Yes, kunendoda ebikhala la isihlupha ithi xakwe enye indoda lapha ngaphakathi esibhedlela enesikhundla esithe xaxa ukuthi ifuna phansi mayike ifice passage izibambisini ithi ngodla ngisuthe la. That is our country. Okay, we are living in a country mangaba kuyona inkohlakalo yalalwana inkohlakalo nje. Right? How do we feel bakwethu nina besilisa nani besifazana ngempela ungadinwa kakhulu uthi umuntu wakho naba bethi ne City of Joburg kushuthi into efanayo bathi na kwi City of Joburg isinqa sibheka phezulu into enjalo. So azukuthi konakele angazi kuvusa umgenge nangebala ne SAPS bengithi baye ujima labo bagijima nangiwethi nakhona ke bayadliwa konakele bakwethu. Akusasindi lutho ke manje kudliwa umfana kudliwa intombazana konke nje bakushaya ngenqawe konakele. That is the democracy what it is giving to us. Yabo siyabonga, we voted for this. Shoda amagama sazowathola bakwethu. Abantu bakithi bahleze bevukelwe ngendlela eyisimanga. But we know in most municipalities kusebenza imali ingane lezi ekuthiwa Nkosi yami zinama intern khona iganyana abayibalisho lezi ekuthiwa ithola idayipend nazo baziqovula kabi intembi kabi abayibheki mfana ntombazana lona ke liso akukho manje okusindayo phephe lutho.